students, welcome to the virtual class. I hope that everyone of you are well there. In our today's class, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 12, environmental cleanliness. Okay, so in our today's class, we will read about fresh air and clean water. Okay, so let us start with fresh air. Okay, so can you see the picture here? Okay, so this is a picture of clean environment with plants. Okay, we can see various plants here. We can see here trees, flowers, many more trees, isn't it? So this is environment where we live. Okay, so environment is a place where human beings, plants and animals live. Okay, we live in environment, so it is our duty, it is our responsibility to keep our environment neat and clean. Okay, to keep ourselves fit and fine, we need clean environment. Okay, we breathe in oxygen, isn't it? What do we use to breathe? We use oxygen to breathe and we throw out carbon dioxide. Okay, and we get oxygen from the environment, from trees, plants, isn't it? So it is really necessary to do a lot of plantation in order to get fresh air. Okay, so we have to do plantation, okay, nearby our surrounding to get fresh air, and fresh air comes to our home through windows and doors. So it is really necessary to open our window and doors to get fresh air. Okay, and if we throw dust particles, if we throw wastage, if we throw garbages on the land, okay, it will pollute land also, as well as it will pollute our environment also, okay, due to the bad smell. Okay, so due to that reason we have to suffer many things. We may suffer from diseases also. So we should manage our wastage in proper order, okay, in order to get fresh air. Okay, so this is all about fresh air. I hope that you have understood about it, isn't it? So moving to the next one, we have here clean water. Okay, so it is the last topic for today's session. Clean water is essential for everyone, not only for human beings, but it is essential for all living creatures. We cannot live without water. Can we live without water? No, we cannot live without water, because water is essential for our body. Okay, we use water for different purposes such as drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, fishing, etc. Okay, we use water for different purposes, and we get water from various sources. Can you name some sources from where we can get water? Okay, so let me tell you now. We can get water from different sources such as rain, river, pond, lake, well, tube wells, stream, tap, etc. Okay, we get water from there. Okay, throwing garbages, wastage, taking bath and washing clothes nearby water sources is bad habit, because it makes water dirty. Okay, so we must stop doing such kind of activity. Okay, we should not throw garbage, or we should not take bath or wash utensils near water sources. Okay, it is really bad. Okay, and we should drink clean water. Okay, so in order to purify water, we can boil it, we can filter it, and we can use some chemical to make water clean. Okay, so by these three methods, we can clean water, we can purify water. Okay, drinking impure water may cause various diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, etc. Okay, so we must drink clean water in order to keep our body fit and fine. Okay, so this is all about clean water, and here we have completed our today's session. I hope that you have understood the topics which I have taught you today, isn't it? Okay, so moving to your homework. Okay, we have write 2 example of each. Okay, you have to give two example of each. Okay, A number, things that make our house dirty. Okay, you have to give 2 example, things that make our school clean. C number, our drinking water must not contain. Okay, so this is 1 number. Okay, and 2 number, write true or false. Okay, A number, we should keep our surrounding dirty. B number, we should drink clean water. C number, we should plant trees in our surrounding. D number, we breathe in carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is 2 number question. Okay, so third one you have here, and the last one, make a neat and clean picture of clean environment. Okay, you can take help from your book. Okay, in your book there is picture of clean environment. Okay, you can see the book and you can make picture of clean environment. Okay, if you have color, you can color it. If you don't have, you can just make picture of clean environment, including trees, plants, animals, birds, whatever you want to make. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you, class.